I am making Tinola. It is one of the most famous Filipino soups. It is basically a chicken garlic ginger soup. And these are the ingredients right here, along with chayote squash and a little bit of spinach. This is one of our family's absolute favorite soups. And I use it as an introduction to people for Filipino food. Everyone I've served it to loves it. It's got a surprisingly unique flavor and is considered super healthy. I learned about this after my wife had our kids from my mother-in-law and aunties. They always feed this to new mothers as an aid for recovery, and we've eaten it ever since. Let's get started. All right, that's like 6 or 7 chicken thighs, and you can see I've already deboned them and cut them in half before I froze them, and that's just so that they're immediately ready to use and ready to fry up like that. Browned it skin side down. All right, that's about how brown you want to put it. Now I'm going to put in 3 quarts of water. We'll start with 2 until I add everything and see if I can fit it. Now we'll do the rest of it. You're going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt for every quart of water. So I'm going to start with 2 teaspoons of salt, and we'll adjust it later. I got about half an onion. That's all I had. I'd really like to have more. 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, 6 to 10 green onions, and about a 3 to 5 inch piece of sliced ginger. Just slice it all up thin. Put that in, let it cook. All right, that is the chayote. I got 4 big ones cut up into about, you can see how big, 1.5 inch pieces. And you peel it. It's got a little bit of a weird coating on the outside, so I like to peel it. And cut that piece up. Put a lid on, let it cook down. Just about 30 to 45 minutes until the chicken's soft. All right, after the soup's cooked for 30-45 minutes, stick in half a big bunch of spinach. Let that wilt down. That's Tinola. Try making it for yourself. I know you'll love it. Hey, I'd sure appreciate a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.